Let's get started. First, you need to open the terminal and create a file. So to do that, we have multiple methods. I will use the touch command. Test is the name of file and .sh indicates the type of file. In this case, it is a shell file. So go ahead, press enter, and now you can see the file has been created. Now to start off, first we need is the shebang line. What this does is that it tells the script which interpreter to be used. So in this case I am using the bash interpreter, which is located in the bin folder. So now for the loop, let's start by creating a variable number to test on, and I will give it the value of 0. Now the while loop syntax looks like this. You need to be very careful about the spaces. Now we need to give it a condition in which the loop will be running. So the number $sign extracts the value of the variable. In this case the value is 0. If number is less than 5, this is the basic syntax of the while loop, and we will display something. So echo command is used to display anything you want. If you enter anything between the inverted commas, it will be displayed as it is. For example, number is, after that I will display the number which is like this. So as I told you before, $sign is used to extract the value. Now we need to increment or decrement the number, or else this loop will be infinite loop, because the number will always remain 0. So to do that, we will use this syntax, number plus 1. So you have to follow this exact syntax, because in shell everything is read or assigned as string. So here 0 is string. So what these brackets does is convert the string into a number and adds 1 and store it back in this variable. So what will happen? First it will be 0, and after that it will display here number is 0, and then it will be incremented and the number will become 1. As 1 is also lesser than 5, so it will display number is 1. So it will go on until the number reaches 4. After that it will display 4, and then it will reach 5, and at this stage 5 is not lesser than 5, so this loop will exit. So let's save this and run this. To run the command, you need to write bash and the file name. As you can see, it started from 0 because the initial value was 0, and ended on 4 because when it reached the 5 number, the condition became false. So this is the basic while loop, and hope you like the video, and if you find it helpful, please subscribe and give it a like. Thanks for watching.